Hey, what's up? It's Justin at changeyourmode.com. I'm Justin, your veggie keto coach, and I'm here in my kitchen, which means I'm probably going to talk about food today again. Oh, this is sauerkraut, which is just chopped up cabbage. It sounds more exotic than it actually is, but really it is cabbage in a jar that's been cooking for a little bit. And you probably heard it before, you probably had it on your hot dogs, but did you know that this is super high in nutrition? Like super high. It's one of like a superfood when you cut it up and put it in a jar. Sauerkraut by itself is basically cabbage that has been fermented. And by fermented I mean it's growing its own bacteria. It's eating the sugar or the glucose in the plant and putting out nutrients. One of the top nutrients, for instance, is folic acid. Folic acid is really critical for cell division in the body. You hear it a lot from pregnant women who have to take in, prenatal vitamins. Folic acid is actually one of the #1 things they should take because it helps with the cellular division and the cellular growth of the cells of that little baby. For people that are older, it helps with actually cellular division for healing. So if you are constantly going through stress, constantly beating yourself up with a bad diet or a bad stressful lifestyle, this is something you probably want to take in. And folic acid also, by the way, fun fact, is good for helping with being senile. So if you know an older person that kind of has that foggy old brain, folic acid might be a good thing to give them to help clear that up. There's a compound in here called sulforaphane. So if you don't know what that is, it's actually what gives us a smell, that sulfuric smell, especially when it's kind of been cooking for a while. That helps with the protection of cells during stressful times. So if you are a particularly stressed person, it's going to help with that. Plus it comes with its own vitamin C that's boosted when it becomes fermented. So if you are prone to sickness, prone to being stressed, this is what you want to kind of add to your diet. Plus the folic acid will help with the cellular regeneration, so it's like a complete superfood all in once you can make yourself. This has been sitting in here for about a week and a half, maybe 2 or 3 weeks, I'm not sure, forget, I lost count. The longer it sits, the more it cooks, and the more it becomes a probiotic, which is really good for your gut, healing your gut. The sulforaphane I talked about earlier also helps with the gut lining. So if you're someone that has IBS, Crohn's disease, or any kind of irritable bowel syndrome, cabbage is it to help heal the GI tract. Those are just some of the things that this powerful food contains. Other things are like manganese, magnesium, potassium, iron. It goes on and on, but the top of the list is the probiotic. So I want to show you how to make your own. It's not hard, it's not expensive, and it's super beneficial. So again, watch how I do it and see if you can duplicate. And we'll come back and open it. It takes about a week and a half, 2 weeks if you're feeling bold, and you have yourself a powerful superfood. Take about 2 or 3 scoops of it, eat it with your food, and you're introducing a whole world of healing into your life. So if you want to know more, please check out some of my other videos, and you can email me always, justin@changeyourmode.com. You can also visit my website, justin@changeyourmode.com, to book a coaching session with me, and we can do this one-to-one. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, the Veggie Keto Coach, and I'm always willing to take your direct messages. Let's talk about food, lifestyle, and keto health. And again, it's not just about keto. There's so much more to what we do than just keto. There's intermittent fasting, there's whole foods. The world is so much bigger than just keto, so keep searching and keep digging around for healthy options. Take care, God bless, and keep on ketoing on.